Welcome to Rehab and Revive to address your stomach pain concerns. Stomach pain is pretty broad and can originate from many different causes. One main cause is the stomach itself, where the organ is blocked and backed up and it doesn't move like open and closed like it should. Sometimes the nerves get pinched as well and can also leave you in a cramped feeling, and that's no fun. And sometimes also the spine is compressed and can give you those symptoms as well. Whatever the reason, it's not fun and can be contributing to your pain. It could be dehydration, it could be poor sleeping habits, a trauma itself. At Rehab and Revive, we have the great opportunity to treat your whole body. We'll work on the spine, we'll work on the realigning your rib cage so it supports the inside structures like your organs, release the nerves. So we're excited to help you on your healing journey. Remember, we heal smarter and not harder.